Hello friends, welcome to Loxio Tech YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to download the Windows 11 ISO file. You can download the Windows 11 ISO file from the official Microsoft website. Just open Google Chrome or any other web browser and search for Windows 11 ISO in Google. And then open the official Windows ISO download page from Microsoft. Here you can see the current version is 25H2, the latest 2025 version. Scroll down until you find the ISO disk image section. Here, select the multi-edition ISO version and click Confirm. Then choose the language you prefer. Here I choose English International. Again, click Confirm and it will validate your request. Please wait for a moment. Click the 64-bit download button to start downloading the ISO file. It will take up to 30 minutes to 1 hour to complete the downloading process. Please wait until it finishes. Make sure you have an active internet connection on your PC while downloading the ISO file. It's finished. If you enjoyed this video, then please make sure to subscribe this channel for more tech and tutorials videos. Also make sure to hit the bell icon to get the future upload notifications. And leave a comment if you have any suggestions or doubts. Please share with your friends. Thanks for watching. I hope you had a good time. See you in the next video.